friends, thank you for tuning in. Welcome to Jayshree's Kitchen. In all my recipes are whole food plant-based diet. There is no sugar, no oil and minimum salt. And I already attached the recipe and ingredients along with the video. So you have it. So today I'm going to show you very delicious recipe, mouth-watering, very healthy, very nutritious. You can eat with roti, means Indian tortillas, or with brown rice, or you can just drink it alone, which is lentil soup, mixed dal lentil soup, which is called dal tadka in Indian language, but I'm not putting tadka. I'm just putting like a broth and sauteing all the spices together. So what I'm doing right now, I'm sauteing onion on one side. I'm just going to put all the spices. I already sauteed for 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to start putting all the spices. What I did with ginger, garlic, so I paste it. So I really did fresh one, jalapeno, ginger and garlic. So always when you really freshly grind in the chopper, it tastes better. So I'm putting that one in right now, and I'm putting a little bit veggie broth over here, and I'm putting all my dry spices, which is cumin, I'm putting a turmeric, I'm putting coriander, I'm putting paprika, I'm putting garam masala, I'm putting curry leaves. This curry leaves you can get from Indian store, which is in produce section. Curry leaves really taste very good in this recipe. I think in all my dals I put curry leaves, so it tastes amazing really. So while it's sauteing right now, I can talk about this recipe. So really what I did, I got this mook split dal from Indian store. This is with the pill and which looks green. So this dal has a lot of benefits. This dal is very heart healthy. It really reduces the cholesterol. It helps with digestion. It keeps you full for a long time because there is a pill. There's a lot of fiber is there, so it makes you lose weight too, and it makes you healthy. And chana dal, this is a chana dal, which is I got from Indian store, which really, this has a lot of calcium, so it is very good for your bones, and which has a pH level. It balances your pH level. So really this is a very good dal to include in your cooking. So I gave you the measurements for this. So anyway, and then I'm using masoor dal, which is called pink dal. So which really this dal, literally it helps your skin. It helps with really with your vision. It stabilizes your sugar even. So really this dal is very good to include in our cooking day to day. And I am still sauteing. I'm going to put little broth right now. And now I'm putting tomatoes. So now I'm sauteing again. So sauteing is all together is 20 minutes. You are really sauteing everything 5 kind of, you know. And really for me, moong dal, when I was growing up, I ate every day moong dal in dinner. So really, see, moong dal has a lot of benefits. So we include in our food every day. So I grew up with moong dal, eating every day, and it really works. So it is very healthy. You can look at this sauteing, what it looks like now. It looks like this. what we are going to do now, we are going to really like what I did with the dal. So I soaked it for 2 to 3 hours all together. So 2 to 3 hours I soaked the dal, and if it's little more, little less, it's okay. Sometimes you are busy, and if it soaks for a little longer time, it's okay. So, and then I washed it very, very well, because you make sure you wash 2-3 times the dal, and I took out some peel. It comes out automatically, all the peels, but take out some peel and keep some, because it is healthy to keep the peels. So this is the way you soak moong dal, and then I drain it, and I kept it like this. So this is the way it's going to look. So what I am doing now, I'm putting all the dals and I am sauteing the dal. So you really mix it together very, very well, and you saute for approximately, a few minutes anyway. And then what I did, I already made the soup for you, so I kind of so I really put I will put for 2 minutes on high manual. So really I'm going to show you the soup while my dals are sauteing, so that way you can see what it's going to look like. So this is the way it's going to look like, and I'm going to take it out in one of the bowls. I think you can put little lemon, fresh lemon, you can just put little bit, and you are going to put little cilantro like this. And really, this is the way it's going to look. So my dal now, I am putting 5.5 cups of water over here. This is the way it's going to look. So I'm putting 5.5 cups of water. So, and then you stir everything properly. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the lid of the Instant Pot. All the dals I make it in Instant Pot. I love my Instant Pot. It really works for me very, very well. And what you're doing, you're putting on manual for literally only 2 minutes. Because you already sauteed for a long time everything. So pretty much everything is done. So you are putting for 2 minutes on high on manual, and then when it's released, you put the lemon and you put the cilantro, and you can garnish with this. This is a delicious recipe. I hope you try it. You will love it. This is one of the favorite recipe of my family and mine. I love it, and we eat at least once or twice a week this dal. Thank you for watching me. Thank you for all the love and support, and see you next video. Thank you.